In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on LED flash notifications on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then scroll down until you find accessibility. Then scroll down again and tap at Audio Visual. And that's where you can easily find LED Flash for Alerts feature. You can just tap on it, and if you want to activate it, just tap at that switcher. From now on, when you get a notification, this LED will flash. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.